Hi guys, I'm Tristan. I made this video because I want to share to you one of my most favorite Wattpad book I have read, and it is Stay Away Agatha by Serial Sleeper. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. This thought-provoking Wattpad novel, Stay Awake Agatha by Serial Sleeper, takes reader on Agatha suffer from a rare disorder that makes her sleep in a long period of time. But what will happen when the modern day Sleeping Beauty meets an idiotic guy hell-bent on keeping her awake? The novel's central characters, Agatha, Grace, Tanya, and Cooper Alvarez, spend most of their lives battling illnesses while confined to the hospitals. Their love story unfolds within the confines of their uncertain future as they risk everything for the relationship against the unstoppable force, the death. Agatha suffers narcolepsy, a sleeping disorder that deprives her of a normal life, and Cooper has melanoma, a type of blood cancer that develops from the plasma cells into the bone marrow. Agatha takes experimental pills to stay awake for Cooper, but the pills put her into a coma and ultimately lead to her death. Agatha time of death is 9:32 p.m., while Cooper time of death is 9:30 p.m. Agatha and Cooper had to make perilous choices to stay together. The story had unexpected plot twists and cultural references that make it emotionally engaging. The moment when the Time Doctor reveals their time of death is a poignant scene that highlights the importance of cherishing every moment. The novel Stay Away Agatha is a slice of romance that delves into the relationship between family, friends, and lovers, showcasing how true love endures hardships like illness and death. However, this book romanticizes and trivializes the realities of illness, in that it exploits people's fears and traumas. Also, it focuses on love and conventional attractiveness, while ignoring the day-to-day inconveniences of their illness. The author made a mistake because she or he did not think to put Cooper's point of view while Agatha was sleeping. But the book teaches us a life lessons about finding happiness despite the illnesses that we experience. Serial Sleeper also has various books that many people have read, such as Chasing Hurricane, The Rebel's Rival, and Good Night Enemy. This book is recommended for those who seek a life learning lesson, although it may not be suitable for those who dislike tragic stories. The book offers valuable lessons about love, family, and friends, which can be applied to the real-life situations. Furthermore, the book inspires readers to cherish every moment they have together, as life is unpredictable. In conclusion, the Wattpad novel Stay Awake Agatha is a romantic story with a slice of life that shows the dynamics of family, friends, and lovers. True love transcends illness and even death. If you want something that will let you sit at the edge of your seat while being swept in whirling romance, Stay Awake Agatha is must read. That's all guys. If you have any question about this book, you can comment on this video and I will do my best to answer all of your questions. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube page. Thanks guys, bye.